9 African countries that changed their official language. 9 of them. Pay attention. Number 1 is Tanzania. Under British rule, Tanzania was using English for everything in Tanzania. All right. After independence and in 1961, Tanzania changed to Swahili. It was Julius Nyerere that achieved that. Number 2 is Rwanda. All right. The official language of Rwanda was French. In 2008, Rwanda changed its official language from French to English. And another local language they called Kinyarwanda. Rwanda used English for primary education and government functions, but they use Kinyarwanda as national identity. Number 3, Somalia. Before independence, Somalia were spread into 2 territories, the British territory and the Italian territory. What does that mean? In Somalia then, English and Italian were the 2 official languages that they used. After independence, the government changed their language from English and Italian to Somali. So the official language of Somalia currently is Somali. They changed from English and Italian to Somali language. Are you following? All right. Number 4 is Algeria. Algeria changed from French to Arabic through what was called Arabization. Number 5 is Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe moved from having English as the only official language to adding 15 more languages. All right. Zimbabwe now has 16 official languages. They added 15 languages, local languages, to English, making it 16. And Zimbabwe is the country with the most official language in the whole world. They have 16 official languages. All right. Number 6, Madagascar. Initially, their official language was French. After independence, they added Malagasy. So they now have 2 official languages. Number 7 is Mali. Mali was using French. But in 2023, Mali demoted French to be just working language. And they promoted 13 other languages to be their official language. That was in 2023. Number 8 is Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso replaced French with indigenous languages such as Mo, Fula, Bisa. Number 9, and the most recent one, is Niger Republic. Niger changed their official language from French and guess what? To Hausa. Hausa language is the official language of Niger Republic. They changed it in 2025. If you have learned anything from 9 African countries that changed their official language, kindly share this video and follow for more.